You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this mountain in Brazil. If you want to learn how to pronounce the name of the city it's in, stay tuned. I've got a video for you. So Brazilian pronunciation here. Corcovado. Corcovado. If you cannot pronounce it Brazilian or Portuguese perfectly, if you cannot do the Portuguese pronunciation, Corcovado. Corcovado. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.